Welcome to Aliveforms. Let's see how to add Zapier in Aliveforms. We'll use Zapier to insert submitted data in Google Sheets for this demo. It is really easy. Let's create a form first to collect data. We can use template. Let's edit the form to match our needs. First, you need to have a Google Sheet made. Edit the headers. Now, in Zapier, create Zap. The trigger is webhooks by Zapier. The event is catch hook. Let's test our webhook. Now, set up the action to add submitted data as row in Google Sheets. After finishing setup, we can publish our Zap. It's time to create the integration. Create new integration and select Zapier as type. Copy the webhook URL from Zapier and paste in webhook URL text box. Configure the collection tags. We have name as collection index 0 and email as collection index 1. Remember, in Aliveforms, counting starts with 0. Save the integration. Open the form where you want to apply this integration. Select newly created integration and apply. Test the form. Thank you for watching the video.